I'm now very proud to introduce you to the first winner of the AI for Good contest supported by IAEA with the company Finapp. Angelo Micarelli, please come and take the podium.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Angelo Micarelli. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder of Finapp. First of all, thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to be here today. So, as you perfectly know, by 2050, world population will reach 9 billion people. So to feed them, agricultural production must increase, but without depleting scarce resources such as land and water. So do we have a solution? Next, please. We think yes. Next slide, please. Okay. We think that there is a solution. We want to be part of it. And our goal is really ambitious. We want to preserve life by saving water, thanks to the help of a small friend coming from the cosmos. And here is our small friend, the cosmic ray. I know that could be quite strange to hear, but we can use cosmic ray to measure water. Now I'm going to explain you quickly how it works. So cosmic radiation generates neutrons, fast neutrons in the top of the atmosphere, and you can see it in the orange arrow. And these neutrons interact mainly with water molecules, for instance, into the soil. So part of these neutrons will be absorbed and part will be reflected again into the atmosphere, becoming slow neutrons that you can see here in blue. So basically, by counting fast neutrons and slow neutrons, the difference in counting tells us about the water content into the soil, and the slow neutrons are the messenger that brings this information to us. This is CRNS, Cosmic Ray Neutron Sensing Technology. The main characteristic of this technology that allows to measure water deep. Why deep? Because fast neutrons have enough energy to penetrate 10, 50 centimeters into the soil and meters into the snow. And on a large scale. Why? Because slow neutrons are scattered and widely distributed over large area. So what we have done, we have not invented this technology. It's widely validated by scientific community. We have bring innovation to the hardware capable to read the cosmic neutrons. So our hardware is totally engineered, patented, and ready for large-scale production, and brings some crucial advantage. We are the only company in the world who can measure these data in real time with a validation in situ, because we measure both fast and slow neutrons with the same instrument. The probe is lightweight and compact with a really low power consumption that allow monitoring also in remote area. We also have gamma ray detection to have extra information. Plus, we don't need a calibration thanks to the fact that we can count muons, that is part of our patent. So all this innovation have the goal to bring this great technology from academia to industry. And to make it even more effective, we have developed a site-specific forecast for soil moisture. So first of all, we have a training phase. In this phase, we collect data from our probe, from soil moisture, measured both with neutrons and gamma ray, and also the meteorological data. So we increase our data set with generative AI, and then we go to the learning part, in which a recurrent neural network have the goal to learn the behavior of the soil moisture, and then have a model of the soil moisture specific for the place in which we have installed our probe. Then we apply weather forecasts that are as well site-specific, and combining this model and weather forecast, we are able to predict the soil moisture for the next 7 days. How then we use it, and we go to the operational phase. We apply this forecast of soil moisture in 2 verticals. The first one is the agriculture one, and we supply an irrigation advice to the farmer that is really easy to use. Just when to irrigate and how much to irrigate. Really easy to use. And now in these latest months we are developing an early warning for landslide floods and wildfire, because all these three elements are strictly related with the abundancy or the lack of water content into the soil. So we have a positive impact to mitigate the global warming, because we can save up to 20% of water for irrigation, and that means 20% less energy used and CO2 emission, with the same crop yield and even better quality. And on the other hand, the early warning that we are developing is going to increase the resilience to climate change, especially in the more fragile territory, like in the mountain area, and also reduce the impact on the people who live there. So here is the team that allows all to be coming true day by day. And I want to conclude with this northern lights that maybe you don't know, but it is a great show of the nature that is made possible precisely because of cosmic ray. So, thanks a lot for your attention. Finapp, live from Cosmos.